Ever wondered how to train your dog effectively? Well, it's a common query most dog owners have. Today, we delve into the ins and outs of dog training, providing you with a comprehensive guide to ensure your furry friend becomes the best behaved pet on the block. First off, establishing boundaries is crucial. Just as with children, setting clear limits on acceptable and unacceptable behavior gives your dog a sense of structure. Just as with children, setting clear limits on acceptable and unacceptable behavior gives your dog a sense of structure. You can establish these boundaries using physical objects like signs or fences, or through verbal commands and hand signals like stay or stop. You can establish these boundaries using physical objects like signs or fences, or through verbal commands and hand signals like stay or stop. Next up, we explore the power of positive reinforcement, a highly effective training method. Rewarding your dog for good behavior can work wonders. These rewards could range from treats, verbal praise, to even a good belly rub. When using treats as a reward, ensure they are healthy and nutritious, something your dog will enjoy and benefit from. The key to successful dog training is consistency. Dogs learn through repetition, so using the same commands and signals each time is vital. It's not just about being consistent with commands, but also with boundaries and rewards. This helps your dog understand what is expected of them, making the training process more effective. Finally, remember to end each training session on a positive note. Praise and affection go a long way with dogs. By ending each session positively, you reinforce good behavior and strengthen your bond with your dog. So, to sum up, effective dog training involves establishing boundaries, using positive reinforcement, maintaining consistency, and ending on a positive note. With these tips and tricks, your pet will be well on their way to being a well-behaved, loving companion. That's all for today. Thank you for tuning in. Until next time, happy training.